Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. Just showing everybody another crochet project. This is another just real simple, easy poncho that you can use in the winter or the summer as just a little extra cover up. So basically, I wanted to put it on because it's really cute. And I put this on today with just a regular old black sweater and has that lacy look in it. So it's really cute. In the summer, you can use it for a cover up for the beach, or you can use it for a cover up in the winter. So this one here has gold in it, and it also at the top I just did like a single crochet at the top, and then a double, and then I did chain 3 or chain 5 rather, I'm sorry, and then just went all around chaining 5 and then connect them in the middle, as you see right there, on each one, and just keep going around. And it's pretty cute. You know, kind of can convert it to your size. It's very forgiving. At the very bottom, just to kind of add a little different, it looks cute on, it looks a little funny in the sun, but it's like a darker black gray. And you can make it all one color, or you can change it up, but it looks cute on. It looks really cute on, and the color change, it looks more noticeable on film, but in real life it's not that noticeable. So you can play with colors, you can do any color you want, but this is just a cute little cover up, and it works. It's cute. It's really cute on. And so like I said, you can see it. I like the color change in it. It kind of gave it a little bit more a little bit more to it, but you can make it one color as well. You, like I said, in the real life, this is like a black gray yarn, just in case you want to give it a shot. So when you go to the yarn store, you might want to kind of match up a gray yarn. And like I said, in real life, it's not as distinguished as you see it here, because here it looks like it's really gray. But if you get like a black gray yarn on the bottom, it really does add to it. So anyway, remember guys, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.